My concept of travel had changed, evolving from aimless adventure to a full-time nomadic lifestyle. The sometimes nice to have, but never nice to carry things, long gone. With nothing left to get rid of, this was true minimalist travel. Events that followed were to be shaped by a need to adapt to every new environment.
The advantages to carrying less.
Advantage 1. Backpacks waste time. Shorten your journey by not taking one. You won't have to arrive at the airport extra early to check luggage. And there'll be no need to wait for the baggage carousel upon arrival. Advantage 2. Backpacks restrict peace of mind. Be without fear that your bag's been lost in transit, or something inside it's got damaged. Advantage 3. Backpacks get exhaustingly heavy, draining energy and abusing your back. If you choose a backpack, you will end up dragging everything inside it with you from place to place, wishing you just left most of it behind. Advantage 4. Backpacks also get poorly treated, tied to the roofs of vans and buses, sometimes uncovered, getting completely soaked by the rain, and then thrown from the roof to the ground when you arrive. Advantage 5. Backpacks are not adaptable. You should be ready and able to catch any means of local transport. This could be a shared motor taxi or an overcapacity tuk-tuk with more than a dozen passengers. Don't let your luggage limit your options. Advantage 6. Backpacks occupy a lot of space. On certain modes of transport, you will have to keep your luggage between your legs or on your lap. There will be entire days of travel squeezed between others and all their luggage too. When basic comforts are at a premium, you should try and make the best of what little space you can have. Advantage 7. Backpacks slow you down. When you eventually arrive at that next destination, you'll need to navigate to your new accommodation. This inevitably means time spent walking from out-of-town bus terminals through plenty of unfamiliar streets. Getting lost is part of travel. You will need ease of movement and the freedom to explore. Advantage 8. Backpacks get uncomfortable. Mapping out new surroundings can be both exciting and overwhelming. Avoid adding to the stress as you figure things out. You want to enjoy this moment without a large container permanently fixed to your back. It's unbelievably comfy to have nothing. Advantage 9. Backpacks make you stand out like a tourist. Your bag might call unwanted attention and make you an easy target for traders, scammers, or potential theft. Advantage 10. Backpacks need to be left somewhere. No longer be concerned about your accommodation having a large enough locker or whether you trust that cheap padlock. Advantage 11. Backpacks are inconvenient. Fully loaded, they can be a nightmare to pack. You might regularly exchange your time for luggage Tetris, removing everything to organise the contents, taking this out to get to that. It can be a real hassle to find what you want. Advantage 12. Backpacks are inconsiderate. In shared rooms, you could wake everyone up by packing. Some travellers also throw their many should-be contents across dormitory floors. With more, it's easier to lose a thing or two. Advantage 13. Backpacks are mostly full of clothes anyway. There's little benefit to carrying an abundance of eventually dirty clothes around. With one outfit, you eliminate a need to search for laundry services, the need to carry it all there, to wait and collect it again. Washing your own outfit saves some money too. Advantage 14. Backpacks aren't appropriate everywhere. Go anywhere, at any time. A sizable bag might be enough to stop you doing something in the moment. This is the worst thing a backpack can do. How much you pack will shape the way in which you travel. Through these traits, I'd learned the many advantages to carrying less. Consider how much you take, for it will become an extension of you on your back. Share these experiences, and you may also desire smaller, lighter luggage. Little bags can go everywhere too, but which you choose is completely up to you.